Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to unboxing review, the Pitaka phone cases. Step into a realm of sophistication as we unbox the S24 Ultra Pitaka case, a fusion of innovation and style that elevates your Samsung experience. Unveil the future of phone protection with a meticulously designed box that hints at the exceptional craftsmanship within. Behold, the S24 Ultra Pitaka case, a masterpiece tailored for your Samsung device. Crafted from premium Aramid fiber, it's not just a case, it's a statement. Feel the lightweight yet robust texture of Aramid fiber, ensuring your S24 Ultra is shielded with strength without sacrificing style. The precision engineering guarantees a perfect fit and unrestricted access to all your phone's features. Installing the S24 Ultra Pitaka case is a breeze. Watch as it effortlessly embraces your phone, providing 360-degree protection while maintaining the slim profile Samsung users adore. Capture the essence of modern elegance with the S24 Ultra Pitaka case. Its sleek design and thoughtfully placed openings offer a seamless user experience, marrying form and function in perfect harmony. Your Samsung S24 Ultra deserves the best, an accessory that complements its brilliance. Elevate your device with the S24 Ultra Pitaka case, where innovation meets aesthetics. Discover the epitome of protection and style. Visit ipitaka.com to explore the S24 Ultra Pitaka case collection today.